Okay, well this is something a little different. This is an electromagnet motor. This is an Atomotor model number 107, and this dates from around 1947, I think. And it's quite basic, quite frankly got to be the smallest electromagnet motor I've ever seen. Give you an example, that's a UK £1 coin next to the flywheel, so you can see that just how tiny this thing is. There it is. Oops. Next to the solenoid, it absolutely is tiny. Now, these normally, I'll lift this out. This is basically what I got. This part here. You can see what it looks like from the top there. Now, normally this would come with a plastic box this would sit on, which would house two C cells to provide the power to actually run the motor, and there would be a plastic cover which sits over the top of the electromagnet there. So, but I basically made a little wooden box that the thing fits in. And I've got a little battery pack in the base there. But yeah, it is absolutely tiny. But the flywheels are actually metal. I mean, most of this is plastic. The mounts are plastic as well. But the flywheel and the crank and everything, this is all metal. So, and it's just tiny and an amazing bit of kit. So, well, there's a cam here with the breakers. So let's get it running. Ooh. The switch is a little bit on the dodgy side. Isn't that amazing? Completely self-contained. I just think that's just amazing. Anyway, I just thought you'd like to see this as it's something a little bit different. But yeah, just an amazing, very, very simple mechanism. But basically, the magnet attracts this plate here, which is attached to this short conrod, which obviously is attached to the crank. And then obviously you've got this cam, very small cam here, which operates the breakers. It's just, I think it's just amazing bit of kit. It really is. So there you go, the Atomotor Model 107. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Cheers.